In 2001, American singer Usher released You Got It Bad, and reggae artist Anthony Cruz put his own twist on it with topped numerous local charts. Anthony provides the backstory behind that hit song in our FiWi Culture segment.
Nobody wants to be alone when you're touched by the words in the song. Baby, you got it bad.
You Got It Bad. Why did you decide to cover this song?
All right. That song was one of the biggest songs in the United States at the time. And my stepbrother, you name Talty, called me and said, yo, you have to do over this song. And I said, send it come and me hear it. And them send it come, I never really too like it, to be honest. You know? And people was saying, yo, that song that should fit you, you should lick it over. And I said, all right. So much people are telling me to do it and thing. And I called Finger one day, and I said, Finger. My brother mixing Finger, and I said, yo, you have a money can lick a rhythm? He said, yeah, man. And I said, which song? I said, one song with Talty send come give me. He pressure me to sing it and thing, you know? And we set up the studio time, Tough Gang Studio, call up Cableton band and some of the top musicians them, and we just hold our vibes in the studio.
You got it bad when you're stuck in the house, you don't wanna have fun. All you think about it.
When the man them start play the rhythm, burr, 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 and I go, nah. The man them pull it up, actually pull up the song before we even finish. I said, yo, Cruz, I want a gun.
Girl, I want you to know I really adore you. All my ladies.
The first time I heard it IRFM was GT Drop It. And then drop it and then drop it and then drop it, and my fingers start jump. He said, yo, the tune gone. And I jump like two little boy. I said, we're rich. We're rich.
When the song took off, were you surprised? Were you taken aback when it became a hit locally and overseas?
I wasn't really surprised because the song, Usher song, was hot at the time. Very, very hot. So you know, usually when you touch them song there. And the funny thing, and next piece of story behind that song, the Richie B produced Tony Curtis singing that song. So one day, we got to check Richie B and drop off my song. And I said, Richie B, that tune is God, you know. If I give you a CD with Tony Curtis, well, look, I see us. That song that bring me right over the world, all over the world. Before me even get halfway through on them song, like that song they came right over the world. Yes, man, set me good, you know.
Pree Dis Massive, this is how we close this week's episode of the Pree Dis Show. I'm your host, Eddie Arnaldo, and we'll see you guys next week.
Anthony Cruz put his own twist on it with one more time.
Yeah, go good enough. All right, ready again.
He was on the ground to hear all about what's in store. One more time.